Hi everyone, in this video we're going to explore respiration and combustion. By the way, if you'd like the PowerPoint in this, from this lesson as a PDF, feel free to message me on TikTok or Instagram. Okay, first up are learning goals. You'll understand what combustion means. You can explain the relationship between respiration in cells and physical activity. You know that respiration uses oxygen and produces carbon dioxide, and you'll learn in what forms energy can be released. Alright, let's keep it simple. Combustion is just a fancy word for burning. For combustion to happen, you'll need a fuel, oxygen, and of course energy is released, like heat for example. Now let's take a look at respiration. And just so you know, respiration is actually a type of combustion. The breakdown of glucose happens in the mitochondria. And here you see a plant cell and an animal cell. And those red little structures here are the mitochondria. This is where glucose is broken down and energy is released. The breakdown of glucose in cells is a form of combustion, a metabolic process called respiration. So this is another example of metabolism, because in this process glucose is changed into other substances. One quick heads up, I'll be switching between the terms combustion and respiration in this video, so you'll get used to both. But combustion is the more general term for burning, and respiration is used when we're talking about living organisms. So during respiration, glucose is broken down using oxygen in the mitochondria. This produces carbon dioxide, water, and releases energy. And as I said earlier, this is an example of metabolism, because substances are being changed into different ones. And respiration is actually the reverse of photosynthesis. In photosynthesis, carbon dioxide and water are turned into glucose and oxygen using light energy, but in respiration, that stored energy in the glucose is released again. Combustion produces waste products, water and carbon dioxide. And these are the only waste products. Energy isn't one. It's actually the thing organisms need. So we won't call it a waste product. Also, we don't call energy a product because it's not really a substance or molecule. Respiration or combustion releases energy, and that energy can be used in different ways by organisms. Movement, heat and light. And movement and heat makes sense for us, but some organisms can actually use this energy to produce light. Take fireflies for example. The light they make doesn't come directly from glucose. Instead, they produce two special substances, and when those substances mix, light is released. But to make those substances in the first place, the fireflies still need to burn nutrients. For us humans, it stops at movement and keeping warm. And the more physical effort we make, the more combustion or respiration takes place, the more fuel like glucose is needed, and the more waste products are created. And of course, the more energy is released. Yeah, and that's it for today. Thank you again for watching. Hit the like button if this helped you out, and subscribe for more science lessons, and I'll see you next time.